at Smokies Park. So Perez steps in. Stevens ready to go. Back with the play-by-play. Here's Rick.
Stevens' first pitch is in there. Strike 5-4 Carolina in the business end of this game. And they'll try to add to their lead. Smokies this year 4-21 when trailing after 7 innings. It's a big breaking ball. It's yanked foul, and it's 0-2. The odds stack heavily against the Smokies, but this one far from over. 1 run at home. I mean, certainly against the league's top offense, not insurmountable. Stevens ready. Perez 2 hits and 3 trips. Fouls that one into the crowd. Over top of the Mudcats' third base dugout. Hit an empty green chair and bounced away. 0-2. Carolina scored 3 runs in the 7th inning. They sent 8 to the plate. And really it all comes down to a ball lost in the twilight by Brett Jackson. That set him up, and they took advantage. There's a fastball in the outside corner. And Perez is struck out looking.